Howdy folks, how you going? Skypilot here. Yes, the sun is setting. I've got the BetaFPV X-Night 4-inch TBS powered toothpick extraordinaire here, guys. This thing is a ripper to fly. I'm going to have a buzz around here. I've just tinkered around slightly to the tune of this X-Night, so if you like how it flies, just follow the link down below to my CLI spreadsheet and you are more than welcome to copy and paste it into your CLI in Betaflight. Text and specs down below. I've done plenty of other reviews of this ripper little BetaFPV unit. BetaFPV makes some really nice gear, guys, and this is no exception. Let's get her up before the sun goes down and have a fly. Thanks for stopping by, guys. See how long that VMAX battery lasts for. TBS Crossfire, folks, no XM Plus here today. This thing really gets up on boogies, guys, let me tell you. Really gets up on boogies. Few trees around the place. I might see how we go doing some slow manoeuvring, which is always exciting. I must admit this battery is lasting a lot longer than I thought it would, which is very pleasing. Do a bit of a flyby so you guys can have a listen to those props. And we may be getting low on power soon. Low battery warning, only because I just sucked it dry with my punch out. Just do a quick perimeter check for some kangaroos. This is the time of day when all the roos come out. If I could have a bit of a roo chase now, it'll be good. Don't want to go too low, lose signal. No, can't see any. I'll finish off with a bit of line of sight. That's pretty cool. I didn't think I'd get this much time out of this battery, guys. See if I can negotiate my way through here without hitting anything. Could be a small miracle. And straight into the barbed wire fence. Not ideal. Quick zip around of the X-Night 4-inch super fab toothpick from BetaFPV. One of the things I love about BetaFPV, guys, is that they supply you with plenty of spares, which is awesome for when you when you run into that barbed wire fence. So I've just broken a prop there. Like I just said, yeah, if I don't finish this off without crashing, it'll be a miracle. So, a little tumble, nothing else is damaged. It's all good. I just snapped a prop off, but that's fine because I have plenty of spares and I will be up and running in no time at all. Comments, be gentle, thumbs up, guys, smash on that bell. See you again real soon. Lots more to come. Look forward to it. See you in the sky. Sky Pilot. Catch you later on.